Okay, so hey investors, so welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Luokung technology. So ticker symbol is LKCO. So in this video, we're going to talk about some big news that just came out regarding this company and also talk about the possible delisting of this stock. But yeah guys, before we get into the video, please smash that like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow this million-mile journey. And also down below, my Discord is linked down below. So on the Discord, when I first alerted my members, LKCO was at $1.30, and since then we've not touched that $1.30 cost range again. So even before I made my first video, this stock went up to $2. So join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. So before I even make a video, I'll alert it on my Discord. So the time it takes to make the video, edit it, and also upload the video, the stock could be up 10, 20, 40, 100% by the time I get the video out. So join that free Discord for early buying opportunity. And also on the Discord, we're starting the 10K challenge. So this is where I'm gonna put 1K into a new portfolio. We're gonna grow that 1K to 10K by the end of the year. So we would have 10x our investments by the end of the year. So on the Discord, I'm gonna tell you what I buy, what I sell, when I buy, when I sell, how much I buy, so you can follow the 10K challenge exactly like I'm doing it. So we would have 10x our investment together. So potentially you can grow $100 to 1K or 1K to 10K. So yeah guys, use my Webull link down below, deposit $100 and get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. And you can use that $100 to start your 10K challenge. So yeah guys, subscribe down below, smash the like button, join the free Discord, and also use that Webull link in the description. But yeah guys, so now let's get into this video. Okay, so now let's get into the news that recently just came out regarding this company. So yesterday it was announced that Luokung Technology has closed the $100 million direct offering, and under normal circumstance this would have been very good news for this stock, especially since in my last video we talked about how their balance sheet is poor. So them raising cash would have been a huge catalyst for this company. But if you look at the after hours, this stock is down 15% after hours. So this is mainly due to the overall market being down, especially the penny stock market, which is taking it hard. So after hours, this stock is down 15%. So we might see lows of below $2 again. So you know what this means? It's time to start buying and time to start shopping. So you want to buy the dips and get the stock when it's cheap. So it might be a case of when the stock market opens, this stock is going to open low. Then throughout the day, we might get a huge run up. So it might still go up on the day, but as of now, after hours, this stock is down 15% and it's sitting at $1.82. So honestly, I don't believe or think would see below $2 again. But the overall market is down. There's a huge sell-off, and what happens is when people sell off, other people start to panic because they're down on investment. So those people start to sell off as well. So the stock price just keeps going down. So people are selling off, which causes sort of like a catalyst for other people to start selling off. But yeah guys, so remember that this is not a $1 stock. This stock is going to take off. It's just about being patient, and any good news that comes out regarding this company or this stock is going to send the stock price flying. So you want to be in this before it touches $3, $4, $10, and potentially $20 to $50 even by the end of the year or in a couple years time. So I know a lot of people bought this stock last week when it was climbing at an all-time high. Well, this is your chance to average down whilst the market is red, because I don't believe it's going to stay below $2 for much longer. So this might be your opportunity to average down and get the stock at a discount, at a cheaper price. And I know a lot of people in the market are new and you're probably scared, but you need to remember that the fundamentals in this company has not changed. So the technology has not changed, the fundamental in the company has not changed. So when you got invested a week ago compared to now, nothing has changed. If anything, it's even good news because this company has raised another $100 million, which looks good on their balance sheet. So what you need to do is take advantage of this dip and take advantage of this red day. So whilst people are panic selling, you want to be buying up those shares, because when someone else is panic selling, someone is buying up those shares at a cheaper price. So you want to buy low and sell high. So as I told you guys, you don't want to be chasing a climbing stock, because especially this stock with a huge risk associated with this stock, with a possible delisting of this stock. But yeah guys, later in the video we're gonna get into that. But yeah guys, you want to buy the stock at a low and sell at a high. So later in the video we're going to talk about the delisting and also talk about the price target for this stock. Okay, so now let's talk about the possible blacklisting of this company. So back in November of 2020, Trump signed an executive order that prohibited Americans from investing in blacklisted firms. So an updated list was brought out in December of 2020, which then included LKCO. So according to this executive order, owners of the shares must get rid of their shares by November the 11th of 2021. So we're still a long way away. So someone did ask me in my comments what happens if the company gets delisted. So when a stock or company gets delisted, it doesn't affect the ownership of your share. So what you need to understand is you can still own that share. However, the company is more likely to hold a significantly less value after the delisting, therefore losing investors a lot of money. So that's the risk associated with this stock and the possible delisting of this stock. But you can also sell your shares before the delisting. But by then, if news comes out, then the stock is going to fall huge, and that's the risk associated with this stock and the possible delisting. However, I believe that it's very likely that Biden will overturn this ban on the Chinese stocks. So here are some reasons as to why. So firstly, Chinese companies or this stock potentially getting banned is going to hurt the American people bad. So it's projected that it could lose Americans over $25 billion. So that is huge, and I believe that Joe Biden would not let this happen. And also secondly, it would further damage the relationship between America and also China. So as we know, Donald Trump coming into power basically destroyed all relationship between America and China. So now you got Biden coming into power wanting to repair this relationship, and overturning this ban is going to be the first step towards that, because essentially the US profits from China. They sell their products in China, they get their products from China. So it's a thing where you have to think of it vice versa. So why can't China profit from the US? So this possible delisting in a way is kind of selfish. So the US and China go hand in hand. They both profit from each other. So the delisting doesn't make sense, and I don't believe that Joe Biden is going to let this happen. So news of this coming out, if he was to overturn this delisting, this possible delisting, will send this stock straight to $10, and you can potentially 5x your investment just like that. And I believe we hear news of this sooner than later, so maybe in a month or two time. So this can either be a huge risk or a huge catalyst for this stock. So this is something that I need to keep updated and keep an eye out for. So now let's talk about price target for this stock. So short term, my price target is $10. Longer term, this stock can reach $20 to $30. And with the technology that this company has, I believe it has the capability to reach $50 in years time. So if you take NIO for example, NIO was once a $1 penny stock before now touching $50. So even though it's down over the past week, it's still at $50 plus, and this was a stock that was $1 not too long ago. And I believe that this company with that technology have the same potential. So now the stock is sitting at $2.15. After hours, the stock is down 15% and it's sitting at $1.82. So that's below $2. So honestly, this dip is a perfect buying price. Like I said, I believe that this stock will fall huge upon market open. Then we might see a rise throughout the day, because this news of the direct offering being closed, the $100 million direct offering, is very good news and can still be a catalyst to push the stock up today. So even though the whole market is red, this market or this stock can still turn out green by the end of the day. So you want to get this stock whilst it's cheap. So don't let the dips scare you. The company, the fundamentals and the technology has not changed. If anything, it's even good news because they're raising more cash. So guys, don't let this dip scare you. This is just a sell-off that we're seeing, and this is not even the worst of it. So if you think back to March with the whole pandemic, and also if you think back to November with the elections, we saw a huge drop in the stock market. So this is basically nothing in comparison to March, and even back in November it was a lot worse. We were red days for like a month leading up to elections. Then when everything bounced back, it bounced back to an all-time high. So you just need to be patient, and if it helps, don't even look at your brokerage platform, at your investments. Just go about your day, because it will bounce back. It's just a matter of being patient. So this is the stock market. Everything it doesn't just keep going up. We get red days, we get dips, we get corrections, because for the past basically this whole year, it's just been going up. So this was to be expected. So guys, don't let the dips scare you. Buy the dips. So buy, hold, buy the dips. You haven't lost money until you've sold out. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash that like button, and also subscribe down below to support the channel and follow this million-mile journey. And also my free Discord is linked down below, so join the free Discord for early buying opportunity. And on the Discord, we're starting the 10k challenge. So yeah guys, use my Webull link, deposit $100 and you get 2 free shares worth up to $1,850. But yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.